Of all the spaces in our home, the bathroom may just be my favorite, mainly because it's separate from the rest of our home, which allows you to get creative and add a whimsical touch. I've partnered with Shoptagr to share how giving our guest bathroom an eye-catchy aesthetic swag on a budget using pops of navy blue. If you're not familiar with Shoptagr, it's a free app and website that will notify you when something that you've been wanting and it finally goes on sale. Just download the Shoptagr app by clicking here and get the free button and install it into your computer. It's that simple. You can save your items from over 4,000 stores. It's very easy and very simple to use. Simply go to your favorite store, choose your item, and click on the blue button on the upper right-hand corner of your screen to save your item. You can choose if you want to be notified when a price change or if it goes down to 25 or 50% off. You can also stay organized by creating a list to keep your items organized. I've customized a new list for my favorite blue home decor accessories. When done, hit save and it will be in your Shoptagr cart. Here are some of my blue home decor favorites, and when I'm ready to purchase, just click on the item and it will direct you back to the website. Check out normally as you would on any online store to make your purchase. Checking out is super exciting, at least for me it is, because Shoptagr will scan the web for any coupons that are available online to help you save even more money. You will see a pop-up like this that will scan the web for you to make sure that you get the best deal. Give Shoptagr a try, you guys. You will not regret it, and I will leave the link to Shoptagr in my description box. Blue and white pottery has always been a favorite of mine, mainly because my mom has it all over her house, but it's traditional and it's timeless. Waver had the blue willow cherry blossom garden stool that had the deep navy blue color that I wanted, but at the time it was $247. But thanks to Shoptagr, I was able to get this stool for $42. It's not the same exact stool, but it will do for sure. Hand towels are placed inside this large narrow planter that I just love. Soap and lotion dispensers are here as well, and these beautiful pineapple and flamingo napkins with the gold on them are from the Dollar Tree. This was such a great find. They had the infamous pineapple and flamingo print, and the quality was a surprise in a good way. The gold on the napkins is a nice touch to my hand soap and lotion dispensers. Inside the cabinet over the toilet is where I got a little creative. My jumping point was these pretty blue and white towels that are from Target. But here's a tip: if you have a narrow cabinet like this and you want to add towels, you will need to fold them a certain way. Let me show you how. Fold the long side in half, fold it again in half, and then bring the hemmed edge toward the center of the towel and fold the other side to meet the new edge. You're welcome. I shopped my home, added a few accessories. I always talk about how you can move things around in your home, especially small accessories. It will make a difference and you're saving money. The bath towels are from Target, and the frames, you guys have seen them over the years, and I just print the image that I want on photo paper. I love the mirror frames in this space because it matches my mirror that is from Better Homes and Gardens, sold exclusively at Walmart. On top of the vanity, I added another blue vase filled with full flowers and succulents, and I'm using this small condiment tray for guests if they want to remove their jewelry when they wash their hands. A few months back, I came across these amber jugs I got from the flea market for only $1 each. They were brand new, and I added peel and stick letters to them for hair and body wash. There's one thing that I've learned on these 49 years of being on this earth is that you don't need a lot of money to have beautiful things. It's how you spend it. Be wise and be careful, my darlings, and I want to thank you all for watching.